today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom functions here in Google Sheets with the use of AppScript. So in previous videos, I've already shown you how you can use AppScript to create different functions within Google Sheets. And of course, we use the help of ChatGPT to create those scripts. I've mentioned this as well in the past videos. I do not have any background in coding or JavaScript or creating those type of scripts that you can use for AppScript. So that's why we use the help of AI, in this case, ChatGPT, to create those scripts for us. So in previous videos like this one, in this particular video, we used AppScript with the help of ChatGPT to create a function that will highlight our data right there. So we have a custom menu in the menu bar, again, that we can click and select the region that we want to highlight within our data. We also have this other example, which allows us to paste the same formula across all of our sheets within Google Sheets. So all of these custom functions were made possible with AppScript and of course with the help of ChatGPT. So if we try and create another custom function for this example, the function that I want to actually create is a function that will allow me to select which tab or sheet within my spreadsheet I want to quickly delete. So instead of going to this tab, selecting it, then selecting delete right here, what I want to do is to have the option or have a custom menu here in my menu bar that will allow me to click it, then enter the sheet or click on the sheet that I want to delete, then it will automatically be deleted. So that's very helpful for instances where you have a lot of sheets or tabs within one spreadsheet and you can't keep scrolling on this side right here just to see or find that sheet to be able to delete it. So again, we are going to start with ChatGPT and I have mine right here. So this is my prompt. I wanted to create a script for Google Sheets that will allow me to choose and delete which of my existing tabs within my spreadsheet with a custom menu. So you can ask ChatGPT to create that function for you. Just be as specific as you want. All my specifications are already here. So once I press enter, it will create the script for me. All I have to do now is to copy it, then go back to my spreadsheet, go to extensions here in the menu bar, select AppScript, which will again open in another tab. So here, we're just going to make sure everything is clear before we paste in our script. There we have it. Go ahead and save that. Then run. So before we do have that execution started, it will ask us to allow some permissions. Once those permissions are allowed, it will say execution completed. Go back to your spreadsheet. And now we have that custom menu added in our menu bar. If I click on it, it will ask me to delete a sheet. So with that, it's running the script where I can input the sheet that I want to delete. So it will enumerate all of the sheets that you have within your spreadsheet. So if I type in here, copy of sales 1, there you go. Click on OK. We have our copy of sales 1 right here, which has now been deleted. And there you have it. Again, this is quite useful, especially when you have multiple tabs within one spreadsheet and you're not really sure where it is. It will give you the option to select from the list and type it in right here. So let's say we want sales 8 to be deleted. Click on OK, and there you have it. So that's how you can create custom functions in Google Sheets with the help of AppScript and ChatGPT. So if you want to check out those 2 other videos that I showed you, I will be leaving a card to them at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should also check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.